Climate change is the most important challenge of our generation. And our industry finds itself at the heart of it. Getting to net zero carbon by 2050 is a significant goal, but we're determined to reach it. It's our #1 priority. And it's why we're proud to be leading the transition to cleaner, greener ways of producing efficient heating and hot water that don't warm the planet. The energy transition is a once-in-a-lifetime change that demands an unprecedented commitment for our business. It won't be easy, but there's no single answer that will work for every domestic or commercial building. So we're working on a range of smarter heating solutions to improve the efficiency of our customers' heating, whether they be family homes or big businesses. And we're developing innovative technologies that are already helping families and businesses reduce their carbon footprint. That includes our pioneering hydrogen boilers, which we've already put into operation and which will power a transformational change in the next decade. It includes our growing range of super efficient heat pumps and more new solutions that will bring us closer to our goals. What's important is that we're not wedded to one way forward or a single technology. So whatever the challenge, we as a team will find the right solution, hydrogen, heat pumps or hybrid. We've been reinventing ourselves for 150 years and we have the skills and experience and expertise to lead this change. I hope that you're looking forward to the challenge.